Hi everyone. So I thought I'd share the experience of making a herbal oil. This is where plant material is infused in like an olive oil, sunflower, high oleic sunflower oil, or I've heard people use jojoba. My two favorite are sunflower and extra virgin olive oil, if you can get a good one. So all right, so I have been harvesting calendula now in my garden for a few months, and I'll show you our little screens here, if you can see them, and here, and here. So we've been growing a lot and drawing a lot. And so now we're gonna make a herbal infusion. I'm gonna use some of the dried calendula to make herbal oil, and then some of the calendula to make tincture with, and then some just to keep it dry and add it to different tea blends. So, because it's really yummy. So basically you wanna, have a jar that's approximate to the quantity that you have. And then you fill the jar. It's a really lovely aroma, calendula. And as aromatherapist, we can use calendula as a CO2 extract, which is quite beautiful, although difficult to work with. So nice to get the 10% dilution. And then we can work with it as a herbal oil, and we can work with it as a tea. So, all right. And the herbal oil, of course, can be added to creams and lotions. It can be added to facial oils or elixirs. It's quite nourishing to the skin. All right. We have a whole ebook, actually, on calendula. So you want to, press down, not too much, but enough. You want to make sure the oil is going to be able to pass through. And then, if you find yourself with some space, add more, okay? And next, you're going to cover the plant material. This is extra virgin olive oil. It's an organic olive oil. So, all right. It's really interesting to watch as it infuses, because the olive oil, I don't know if it looks a little bit yellow, but it's actually kind of a very, very light green. But as it infuses with the calendula, it turns a beautiful yellow, golden color. All right. So you basically top it off. You might have like a metal stirring rod or a glass stirring rod, and just kind of make sure the oil can pass through the plant material. That way you'll get a really nice infusion. Okay. So once you've ensured that, you can add, just top off a little bit. Place the lid on. Give kind of a, you can give it a bit of a shake too to get the plant material to loosen up in there. And then you can check it again just before you do your 24 hours. So it looks like we can just put a little bit more. The first 24 hours are the most important, because tomorrow when I check it again, I'll be able to, I should